AI is changing the game, and you don't need to be a tech genius to cash in. In this video, I'll show you simple, beginner-friendly ways to use AI and start making money online even if you have zero experience. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could maximize your earnings. 1. AI-powered freelancing. First up, let's talk about AI-powered freelancing, where you get paid to do work that AI helps you with. Here's how. Content writing with ChatGPT. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions and sell them on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Graphic design with AI. No design skills? No problem. Use AI tools like Canva's AI, Midjourney, or DALL-E to create logos, thumbnails, or social media graphics and sell them on Etsy or Fiverr. AI-powered voiceovers. Websites like play.ht or Muff AI generate professional voiceovers that you can sell as a service for YouTube videos, audiobooks, or advertisements. 2. Selling AI-generated digital products. AI isn't just for services. It can help you create and sell digital products that make money on autopilot. Here's what you can sell. Ebooks and guides. Use ChatGPT to generate content, format it with Canva or Google Docs, and sell on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. AI-generated art. Platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E can create unique digital art that you can sell as prints or NFTs. Custom print-on-demand designs. AI-generated designs can be used to sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters on Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. 3. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another easy way to earn passive income with AI's help. AI can do the hard work for you. Here's how. AI for blog and SEO content. Use ChatGPT to create SEO-optimized blog posts that drive traffic to your affiliate links. AI video creation. Tools like Synthesia or Pictory help you create faceless videos to promote products on YouTube or TikTok. AI-generated email marketing. Platforms like Copy.ai or Jasper AI help craft engaging email sequences to promote affiliate offers. 4. Automating a YouTube channel with AI. Yes, you can even run a YouTube channel without showing your face or editing videos manually. AI makes it easy. Script writing with ChatGPT. Quickly generate engaging scripts. AI voiceovers. Use Muff AI or play.ht for professional narration. AI video editing and stock footage. Pictory and InVideo help create high-quality videos with little effort. AI is making it easier than ever to make money online, and now it's your turn to take action. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to grow your income online. See you in the next video.